Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a coffee. So I will show you, this is a sugar and this one is milk powder and this one is coffee. And put it here and mix it up and use the hot or cold. So we choose hot. So let's make the coffee now. So now we need first a sugar. First, open the sugar. Wait, I'm just opening the sugar. Okay, okay. And use the spoon and take it.
Put 2 spoons.
Alright, use it and put in here. The sugar. Okay.
Close.
So now close it and just use it here and just close. Oh my god. So now I have to mix it up first. After we'll make clean after. So now we need a milk powder. So the milk powder is super strong. You must drink coffee. So now I'm gonna open it. Oh, so cold right now. Open it and use the spoon. Okay. So now just take a little bit, pull it, little bit. Okay, just put a little bit only. Okay, that's all. That's enough. First, mix it up. Now this finished. Now we need coffee. Wait, I will open it my spoon. Wait, it's so heavy. Okay, I'll open it now. Whoa! Okay. So get it on here. That's all. Okay, then no need to get too much. Okay, we need to put in here. So we just make coffee like this. Okay. Alright, so now mix it up first. Hey guys, look in there. Look, it's a coffee. Whoa, so cute. Okay, do it. You ready? So click hard. Okay, and do it. Wait. Stand back first. Stand back and see. Oh yes! Look at the coffee. Whoa! Look at that. Oh, so hot. So now mix time. Be careful to mix. Okay, so hot. Don't touch it. Okay. Be careful. But I'm carefully. Be careful and mix. I'm carefully mixing. Just be hot. So good. So that's how to make coffee. So this is how the ingredients can make coffee.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you see another video. Bye.